Paddleboarding with Style, featuring Sir Boston and Don Chihuahua. Scene 1, the Boston Terrier, in full dignity, life vest snug, stance steady, gaze calm. Like a Tibetan monk on holiday with a surfboard, ducks passing, unbothered waves, just a gentle nod of the soul. The drone flies by. He gives it one glance that says, I am the wind. Cut to scene 2. Don Chico at Chihuahua Del Mar. Same lake, same paddleboard. Completely different universe. The life vest. Fits like a couture disaster. Standing? Barely. He shivers, barks, eyes dart in all directions. A duck approaches, full-blown DEFCON1. A leaf drifts by. Immediate barking, pursuit engaged. The board wobbles. Total collapse. He clings to the paddle like it's a flotation device for dignity, and those eyes scream, Why, human? Why have you done this to me? And then, the grand finale. Sir Boston glides into the sunset, majestic. And Don Chihuahua, one tiny splash, a high-pitched yelp, and there he is, dangling dramatically by the safety leash like Leonardo DiCaprio on driftwood. Smaller, louder, wetter. The takeaway? 2 dogs, 1 board, 1 Zen captain, 1 miniature meltdown on 4 legs. Both heroes, but only one without panic mode.